अगर तुमने पहले मेरी शॉर्ट्स देखी हैं तो यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट आई एम अ स्लो रीडर. आई एम अ फुल टाइम business consultant and I work for one of the top tier management consulting firms in India. If you know anything about consulting, you must be aware that our week usually consists of 14 to 15 hour long working days. There's client engagements, firm building activities, lots and lots of meetings and constant upskilling demands. मैं बिलीव करती हूँ कि वर्क इज वर्शिप, सो आई प्रायोरिटाइज एवरीथिंग दैट माई वर्क डिमांड्स, but I also ensure to prioritize myself. My one true love is reading fiction books. अब वो कुछ भी हो. It can be romance, historical, mythological, sci-fi or thriller. Doesn't matter as long as the story is engaging. So there are a few tips and tricks that I follow to ensure I'm reading the books I love even with the extremely busy work life that I have. And in this video, I'm going to share them with you, because I think it might really help someone who is struggling to find more time to pursue their hobby of reading. In the past, I've also had a love-hate relationship with books. एक ऐसी बुक आ जाए which I did not like, या ऑफिस में एक ऐसा critical या urgent project आ जाए, I used to make it an excuse to stop reading altogether. ऐसा भी हुआ है that months have gone by or even years have gone by at times and I have not touched a fiction book. But something changed when I started surrounding myself with books. So even if you're currently not reading, don't stay away from buying books. Build your TBR and surround yourself with it. Like leave a book on your nightstand or beside your pillow, on your coffee table, or anywhere you sit when you have some free time. Having a book around when you're free might just give you the excuse to start reading that book. My next mantra is bedtime is equal to reading time. Promise yourself that when you lay down in bed at night, you will open the book you've kept on your nightstand just for 5 minutes, just to look at it. You will realize that unknowingly you finished 2 pages. And once you're hooked to the story, there'll be no stopping you. बुक पढ़ने का टाइम मिले या ना मिले, सोशल मीडिया चेक करने का टाइम हम सबको मिल जाता है. So ensure you follow book reading related content even on your social media, so that it shows up on your feed and helps build curiosity around things like what's trending on Book Talk and why, what are my favorite YouTubers reading, what books I must add to my TBR. And मेरे साथ तो यही होता है, एक बार अगर curiosity जग गई तो I have to own the book and I have to read it, come what may. My next tip for you is to find 30 minutes during the day. मेरे साथ क्या होता है, in the morning I usually stress a lot कि यार रात भर में ऑफिस में क्या हुआ होगा, what's the progress on the projects I'm managing, and unless I know that everything is running smoothly at work, I can't truly relax or pursue anything recreational. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, अपने सुबह के जो बिल्कुल urgent chores हैं उनको finish करती हूँ and I try to log in half an hour early. I check all my emails, I plan the day, and if there is nothing too pressing or urgent that demands all my time and attention immediately, I step away from my laptop and read my book for 30 minutes. Depending on the pace of the book, I'm easily able to finish 10, 15 or 20 pages. अब तुम्हारे ये 30 minutes कभी भी हो सकते हैं. Right after you wake up or with your morning tea or coffee, या after finishing your morning chores, या फिर after sending kids to school. It can be any time. Just find those 30 minutes during the day to read your favorite book. My last tip for you is to find a reading pal. Find one friend who also likes reading and may have a similar taste as you. Decide करो कि तुम लोग हर week या every 2 weeks or every month, whatever suits you, you'll finish one book. तो बीच बीच में keep checking in with each other कि तुमने कहाँ तक पढ़ लिया, how you're liking the book. तो अगर तुम्हारे फ्रेंड ने तुमसे ज्यादा फिनिश कर रखा है, you will automatically find yourself sneaking out some time from your day to read and catch up to your friend. अब ये टाइम कहाँ से आएगा? घर का और ऑफिस का काम तो करना है ही तुम्हें. ये एक्स्ट्रा टाइम आएगा फ्रॉम योर डूम स्क्रॉलिंग बजट, वीकेंड से या फिर एक्स्ट्रा हॉलीडेज से. तो ये जो लास्ट वाली टिप थी अबाउट अ रीडिंग पैल, I also used to have a friend with whom I used to read, but right now I don't have anyone to read with. So if any of you are interested in becoming my reading pal, comment below and let me know and we can read together. और अगर तुम्हारे पास भी कोई टिप्स हैं which I may have missed, तो comment करके बताना. चलो, see you in the next one. Bye.